Well, it would have been a good day for some drone footage, except we can't fly here, it's restricted. AJ, do the seal back up. We got given a seal today. Look at that, brand new. Nice 450 watt bifacial panels, our new ones. Nice amount of room all the way around. Can give it a clip all the way around nicely. Just mean. Look pretty good. Getting up here, getting the anchors on. It is freezing, but the sun's up, so that'll be good. Get our 20 panels on, get our radio. Well, it doesn't take me and Mr. AJ very long, Mr. Milwaukee over there, but get these L feet on. Then we're going to take this piece of iron off up here so that we can get the ducted heat pump through. Yeah, we're getting some rails up. Shredder is definitely on top. Time to open the hatch. Oh yeah. Which means our solar cable, boom, right there, go down this truss. Perfect. I don't think we could have got any better placement. Sweet, our isolator's done, our roof is open. AJ's got almost one full row of micros on. So heat pump's ready to go in. Dip's just gonna move the ladder for us so that we can carry panels from up here, up over here, start laying them. Panel time, baby. Well, without the microinverter on, it's actually not too heavy, just mean. And they look pretty slick. 19 panels on, we'll just have Smoko, there's one more to go. Toe was passing to AJ, AJ was passing to me, and I was placing him. Worked pretty well. Last duct's going in, just got to wait for the plenums, which one goes here, one goes in the other return, and then the two in the unit, which are ordered and on their way. So we'll get it all sorted, and then Josh will come back and fit those off. There we go, first installation of IQ8 HCs, 384 watts on 450 watt bifacial panels. Pretty slick. Nice.